Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Let's talk a little bit about track bars, more specifically rear track bars. Now in a solid axle coil spring setup like the JT and the Jeep since the TJ and even the latest model Bronco, a rear track bar is going to help center the axle to the vehicle. It's going to sit at an angle and be mounted to the frame on one side and the rear end on the other. And that's great, except when you lift the vehicle, that bar is going to pull the axle to one side. Now we've got two ways to remedy this. You can use bracketry either on the frame or the axle to relocate the factory track bar, or the better way in my opinion is to upgrade to an adjustable track bar. We've got a forged adjustable track bar specifically for the JT. It's a solid forged steel. It's going to have Cleveite bushings on both ends for long life and durability. And like I said, it's fully adjustable so you can dial in your rear end and get it exactly where it needs to be under the vehicle. So if you've got a Jeep Gladiator with 2.5 to 6 inches of lift, I definitely recommend getting our forged rear track bar for it. You can get this and all other accessories today and every day at roughcountry.com.